It's time to start a new project. In this series, I'll be reupholstering a motorcycle seat for a friend's vintage 1973 Honda CB750. After finishing my shearling vest, I'm feeling a lot more confident behind the sewing machine. I have a way better understanding of how to sew leather, how the machine behaves, and how to work through problems as they come up. But this project comes with an entirely different set of challenges. I've never reupholstered anything before, never attempted raised quilting, and never built a pattern around a contoured shape. There was a lot more I still needed to learn. The seat itself is a classic two-up motorcycle seat, a style that became extremely common through the 1960s and 70s. Unlike modern step seats, this two-up seat uses one continuous cushion for both the rider and the passenger. The flatter profile allows the rider to move around more freely and gives motorcycles from this era a distinctive silhouette. This particular seat also features a grab strap across the center, another design detail that was extremely common at the time. Before I could start making anything new, I needed to understand what I was working with, which meant completely dismantling the seat. The original cover had definitely seen better days. The leather was dry, brittle, and heavily worn from age. Surprisingly, the foam underneath was in great condition. It was still dense, still firm, and bounced back almost immediately when compressed. Even though the foam seemed perfectly usable, I still needed to remove it, because until I could see the frame underneath, I had no idea what kind of condition the seat was actually in, and getting the foam off turned out to be much harder than I was expecting. It had been attached for decades, pressed into place by time, use, and who knows how many miles. Once I finally separated everything, I got my first look at the frame and immediately found what I was expecting: rust. A lot of it. Thankfully, most of the damage was only on the surface. The frame was still structurally solid. It just suffered years of neglect. So rather than replacing it, I decided to refurbish it. I removed as much rust as I could. I then gave the frame a fresh coat of paint. Nothing complicated, just enough to protect the steel and give it a new start. While the paint dried, I turned my attention back to the original seat cover. My plan was to use the original cover to create a new pattern, at least in theory. The problem was that before I could trace anything, I first had to separate every individual panel. And because the leather was so old, that became a really delicate process. Every seam had to be taken apart carefully, trying to preserve as much of the original shape as possible, while also trying not to destroy the pieces in the process. There were definitely a few moments where it was touch and go. Eventually, I got everything separated. And honestly, that was a huge relief. Because once the cover was fully dismantled, I finally had everything I needed. Just enough good condition pieces to have a complete set for reference, to start tracing drafting, and building my new pattern. And with the frame fully restored and the pattern pieces underway, I could start planning how the seat was actually going to come together.